Okay. Sorry. One more question now. So yeah, actually, what does my fully qualified class name?
Sir,
Simple.
package name
Class name
plus class
Package name.
including package name, like
plus.
for example, mix of and your your class name. So whenever we are using this method, simply we are passing the fully qualified class name. Okay. So maybe in my system, okay, I don't think I will. Just let me check. Where? I think just 1 minute. Let me check. Any more question? Meanwhile, let me check where Java resource, right? Then
Sir, in your util package, I have seen this map dot. That's why I'm writing.
are you observing? So I didn't write your map because in my case the package name was map, right? So I used com.jxof.map, okay? Because the package name is map, right? In the package name map term is available, okay? Is it clear, Vinay?
Yes, sir.
So we are not writing your map because
Yes. Your package name is zags.map. Okay, I understand, sir.
okay. Any more question?
No, sir.
So can you please remind me whatever we discussed in our previous session? Okay. So we will discuss what one-to-one relationship, right?
Yes, sir.
Means what? One
Yes.
object to another object, right? Relationship between two objects. Then, okay, many to one, right? Many to one, okay? What does mean by many to one? Many object, okay, then
Plus one.
one object, right? And the same first thing is one to many, okay? Very simple, nothing more than this. If you simply reverse one to many, okay. So we discussed in our previous session also. Maybe you missed some class. I recommend you to complete this one, whatever. So maybe
I think
let's
in
start.
last class I have miss concept. Some concept I miss.
So you got maybe multiple times, whatever. Leave this one. So now let me discuss today many to one, right? Sorry, many to many. Already we covered many to one.
Many to many.
Already we covered many to one. Now, or one to many. Okay. Now let me discuss actually many to many. So can you please explain what does mean by many to many? The problem. So can you please explain me some difficulty, whatever? Let me continue. So I hope my voice is okay, perfect, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so let this one. Can you please explain me what does mean by many to many? Okay, can you see my notepad?
Not bad, not visible, sir.
Not.
Okay. So okay, now let me discuss our today's class. Okay, now like many to many. Okay, please tell me what does mean by many to many? What do
Sir, multiple objects associated with multiple other entities like that.
Yeah, really. What about myself?
Multiple entities associated with multiple entities.
Yeah.
Another
Okay.
multiple entities.
Okay, many to make that. For example, okay, as we are Java developer, we can play game with object, consider a multiple object, right? Multiple object, and here from another side, multiple object. Yes or no?
Yes.
Certainly, this object, okay, this object related to this object is related to this object, or this object is related to this object. Okay, now? Okay. Whatever, no problem. First of all, let me discuss the table concept. Consider this is your one table, right? Okay, first of all, before that, can you give me one example? One real life example. Okay, let me write. So we are discussing actually many to many relationship. So I recommend you once more time. If you forget this concept like one to many, one to one, many to one. Okay, recorded video is already available. You can watch once more. Okay, simply observe this one. Okay, So consider you are the employee, right? You are the employee, and consider you are working in a company or working in a project, right? So in a company,
Mm-hmm.
you will work only one project, right? Is it okay? Or multiple project?
Only one project or multiple projects? Both, sir.
Yeah, good example. Many student purchase many book. Okay. So consider, for example, John and Tom. Okay, these two person working in the company, or consider they are working in a project one and project two, right? So John is working this project one. Also, John is working this project two, right? And in the same case, Tom is working project one and Tom is working to project two, right? So here
Mm-hmm.
many employee and many project, right? Many project. So we are calling this relationship is a many to many. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
For example, listen, if I so provided one example like many student, many student purchase many book, right? Many books, okay? You are the student, for example, student
Many
one,
books.
student two. That doesn't mean student one only purchase like Java book, right? So he purchased Java book, like for example, what? Like database book. Yes or no? So
Mm-hmm. Yes.
student one purchased Java book and database book. Student to also purchase Java book or database book, or consider many student and many courses, right? Yes or no? Many student
Yes,
Mhm.
sir.
many courses. Any confusion to understand up to now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You can give multiple examples, like for example, many authors, many books, right? One author can write multiple books also, right? Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
So what does mean by, so for example, this is our entity class, right? Like class A, this is our entity class. Yes or no? And consider this
Yes.
is another entity class, class B. Okay, you can design this entity class. One annotation we are using. What is this? Entity.
Entity.
Entities.
Mm.
Entity.
So many object. Now from this class we can create multiple object, right? One object, one object, one object, multiple object. Many object of entity A related to many object of entity B. Is it okay or not to understand many to many relationship just theoretically?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Any confusion up to now to understand this point? I didn't explain anything. Okay, difficult.
No, sir. Clear.
And already you know this concept. Let's do. So now tell me which example I should take.
Anyone, sir. Whatever you.
An example.
Okay. So for example, we need to indicate. Consider, okay, first of all, let me check my, should I create a new project or to work with the same project? I think it will be better. So, okay, I can create a simple, all the things are same now. Simply let me create one more package, right? Just a moment. Any name, any package name, just now let me create one package. New start. For example, no. For example, any name like many to many, okay?
Mapping. Okay.
Simply this is the project name. Okay. This is the package name. So in this package that we work, okay, so consider many to many. Yeah? For example, let me create one employee class, right? For example, you are an employee or you are going to be an employee of a company. Okay, employee. Yes or no? Like employee one, employee two. Okay, just 1 minute. So consider, are you typing anything in the chat? Previous. Okay, leave this
No.
one. So after now, English. So just observe. What you can see in my system right now. I have notepad, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, for example, observe this is an what? Like this is an employee.
Open.
Any two employee name, for example, like Vinod and for example, person. Okay, is it okay? So yeah, multiple employees, right? Yes or no? Am I audible? Can you please confirm me?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Consider you are in a company, right? You are in a company, for example, Google, right? Okay.
Hmm.
Another company, for example, like Facebook. No, this is not a perfect example, right? Like you are working in a Google and working in a Facebook. Okay, let me change. Okay, consider you are working in a Google and, for example, let me
Working as a teacher.
consider you are working in a project, right? Any two project name, for example, any project,
Blog application.
which application? Blog application, right? Okay,
Blog. Yeah.
blog application. Okay, then is it okay? For example, you are working like Drive, okay, Google Drive, yes or no, in this project, okay, Google Drive, okay, is it okay?
Hmm.
Any project,
Yes, sir. An example.
any project like Google Drive, then Classroom, Google Classroom, or simply like Google Docs, okay? Let me change this. So simply here, how many project, like any number of project, or simply let me make it very easy to project like project, okay? Is it okay, guys? So you are working in this project, Google Docs, and Binoy is working in this Google Drive project. Yes or no? Faisal is working in
Mm-hmm.
Google Docs and Google Drive. Is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe the handwriting is not clear. Some pen tablet issues actually, but I'm trying my best to write. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
whatever. So now tell me, and at this time, you have two classes, right? Two classes. Yes or no? Two entity classes. What is the class name? Employee and
Uh,
employee.
Project.
So can you please tell me how to create this class? Tell me. Please tell me class. Class.
Class employee.
Okay, class employee.
Employee.
Employee. You know, for example, what you want to keep. For example, what you want to keep. Let me make it very simple. Very simple. For example, this is your table, right? So consider you want to keep like what you want to keep.
ID name.
Okay, ID and okay. For example, ID and play in your table, ID and play. Okay, and another table, right?
Yeah.
What you want, for example, ID and play. Okay, to understand, are you facing any difficulty?
No.
No, sir.
ID and play. Okay, instead of writing like this way, I can write ID and this is our employee table. Employee table, we can write, for example, employee name, right? E name, right? Here and here, P name, project name. Okay, is
In.
it okay?
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Any confusion to
Yes.
understand?
No, sir.
No.
Whatever. So now please tell me, consider your ID is, for example, one, right? And your name, for example, Binoy. Okay, I think let me clean this one. So one table, right? One table and another table. Let's try to understand. So here ID field, okay, ID column and name column. Okay, for example, email and here same thing, ID and what? T name, right? Project name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now tell me, Consider, for example, any ID, for example, starting from 1 and name is, for example, winner. And for example,
winner.
ID equals to like 1 and or any ID, no problem. And for example, project, what is the project name, like Google Drive, okay? GD is Google Drive. Is it okay?
Yes.
To project.
For example, okay, now tell me another person, for example, okay, like 2 and person. Now tell me, for example, ID number 2, for example, Google Drive, then you are working like Google Docs, okay, GD. For example, you are working with Google Slide, okay, GS,
Or
okay. Is it clear?
Hmm.
Any question?
Yes,
You are working in this project. Now tell me, you are working like this way, right? Yes or no, sir?
Mhm.
Okay, but how we can represent? How we can represent? This is some not like, okay. Before that, it will be better. Up to now, let me design the class. Up to now, let me design the class. Can you please tell me how to design? Like class, then please tell me.
class employee.
The employee, class employee, and already you know, like integer, private integer ID and private string, right? String what?
String ename.
Employee name, right?
Ename.
And you observe this one, right? One employee, right? One employee works into multiple projects, right? So one object is related to what? One
Yeah.
object is related to multiple what?
To multiple objects.
Multiple objects. So I hope you got this point here. You will use the list concept, right? Yes or no? But let me design it later, right? Let me design it later. Okay. From your previous knowledge, you already got the point. We need to use list. Why list? Is it clear? Why list?
Store the multiple projects.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let this one. So how we can represent or how we can represent? Simply, we can create
List.
a third party table, right? We can create what?
Property.
Another table, right?
Third
Another
party.
table.
Third party, yes.
Another table. Simply we can create another table. In this table, simply, you no need to create actually. Everything will take care by what? Everything will take care by Hibernate, right?
Hibernate.
So tell me,
Yeah.
for example, this is ID, for example, this. Okay. So consider this is your PID project ID, right? Or ID simply ID project ID, and this is what? Like this is
Em- em-
consider this is employee
employee
ID,
ID.
project ID. Okay.
Project ID. Second one.
So yeah, can I
Yeah.
write it? Say one. This employee one is working with project ID one, right? In the same case, this employee one is working with project ID
One is two.
two, right?
One is
One, two, right? In the same case,
yes.
this one, and employee ID two is
Two
working
one.
with project ID one. Employee two is
Two one
working
two
with
two.
project ID two. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
Is it clear? So this is
No.
a third party column or external column or a column that join two table, right? Can I say this is join column? Can I say this is a join column?
Yes.
I hope you got this
Yes, sir.
point. To indicate join column, we are using one annotation. Can you please tell me what is the annotation mean from your previous knowledge?
At the rate.
At the
At the
rate?
rate join column.
Right.
Join column.
Join.
Okay, so if you can understand one, automatically you can understand the remaining also. Yeah, join column. Okay. So yeah, perfectly it's a join column. Now tell me, okay, join column. Who will create the join column? Certainly Hibernate will create the join column automatically, right? Automatically. Now another point. Just observe. From the employee, right? From the employee. Let me use another color. Okay. From the employee, this is what this employee ID, right? From the perspective of employee, this employee ID is a foreign key, right? Why foreign key?
Yes.
Because
Yes, sir.
one table primary key, right? One table primary key, we are using another table, right? So this is what? This is a foreign key.
Foreign key.
I repeat once more time.
No, sir.
Okay. So from the what this is project, right? From the project perspective, this PID is a foreign key, right? Yes or no?
Foreign key. Yeah.
And this is the
IDs.
inverse column, right? From the employee perspective, this EID is a foreign key, right? Foreign key, and this is EID is what? EID is a inverse column, whatever inverse column. So I hope you know to indicate foreign key, we are using one annotation. Can you please tell me what is the annotation name?
Meaning to meaning.
Join
Column. Join column.
only. Any confusion
Hmm.
after anything to understand? Should I repeat anything? This is a very simple concept. Should I repeat anything? Please tell me.
Sir, I understand employee to this. 1 minute. I understand this to this, but I'm not understanding this one, sir.
Simply nothing more than this. Actually, this is not one to many or many to one, right? So one to many relationship, from both sides, right? One to many
Yes.
exist from both sides. Simply we are using here. You cannot say like one to many. Simply you cannot say to handle this one. For example, in one to many or many to one, already we know from one side that we one time. I think it will be better if I draw once more. Let me clean everything. Okay, I hope my voice is okay, audible, right?
Yes.
So, what is your doubt from here? Why we are using that column, right? Actually, this is database concept, nothing more than this. So, consider actually this is our two table only, right? One is for like employee, and another one is for project, right? Faisal? You are using
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ID and employee name, E name. E means employee name. And we are another in this project, like project ID, na ID, simply ID. And another one is what? Project name, right? Or P name. Any confusion? I have there is no confusion. So you are working, for example, your ID is 1 and number is working. Okay. Here consider there are 2 employees at this moment or multiple employees like 2, 3. So simply just observe this is ID number, for example, 101 and project name like what? G for Google, D for track. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Consider 102 G for Google. Okay. Slide. Okay. SLID slide. Okay. Google slide. Now tell me. Observe. Just observe. So simply understand. I'm discussing right now not Hibernate concept actually. Database concept only. Consider two object or two object. Actually, we cannot handle directly one to many or many to. Okay. One to what? For example, many to many we cannot handle it. For example, one to many very easily we can handle, right? For this purpose, we are extra adding one column, right? Yes or no? We are extra adding one column. Yes or no, sir? Okay. Then very easily we can handle, right? Any confusion?
Yes, sir. Foreign key purpose, yes.
Now just on that. So can I say, for example, like this is one to many, just observe. From this side, this is what? Employee, right? This is what?
Employee.
And this is what?
Project.
Just you will answer me. This is database concept only, sir. Totally database concept. So consider from the employee side, the relationship is what? One to many, right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Should I repeat one more time?
No, sir.
Also, are you getting my point? What you are not getting?
Father.
Okay, got the point. Okay. Easy. So now observe. So from just observe from the project side. So from the employee side, just tell me from the employee side, relationship is one to many or many to one?
So this is one to many.
Okay, one to many. Now observe from project side, consider the relationship is what?
Many,
From
One to many.
right,
many to many.
from project
One
side,
to many.
consider from the project side.
Mm-hmm.
One project and multiple employee, right? One project, multiple employee, yes or no?
Yes, sir. One to many.
Yes.
Then from the project side, relationship is what? One to many, right?
Yes, sir. Each project one to many.
Should I repeat once more time?
No, sir.
No, sir. Project side one to many.
From employee side, one to many. Just observe, not many to one. From project side, relationship is what?
One to many. Yes.
One to many. One to many. You know,
Both sides. Both sides, sir. Employee side and project side. One to many.
many to many means actually what? One to many plus one to many only, right?
Yes, on both side one to one. One to many.
Good. This is quite common sense. And already you know, na, we cannot write like this way. We cannot use multiple joint column, right? In the same relationship.
Mm-hmm.
You know already this concept. We cannot use multiple joint column in the same relationship. Yeah, relationship is same, but you cannot use multiple joint column. So to handle this, we cannot use, okay, within two table, we cannot handle this relationship. So for this purpose, we are using another helping table.
Third table.
Another
Mm-hmm.
helping table that gives us this relationship. Just observe.
Okay.
Okay. For example, here ID, ID or for example, EID, no issue, no.
The idea.
EID, no problem. So here I am writing here EID and
PID.
okay. So here consider.
EID, PID. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Yes.
one employee one works in where? 101.
101. Mm.
101. Okay. Also employee one works where? 102. Okay.
102.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
On the same case,
Yeah.
this is not one. This is okay. This is one. Actually, one. And this is what? Employee two. Employee two works where?
101 to Indians.
101. Also employee
10
works
102. 102.
on. So to make this one, right? 1 to 1 or 1 to many and 1 to many from both sides. We are using a separate table only to handle this relationship. Right now, have you got the point?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any question why we are
Yes, sir.
or why we need this separate or separate table? Can you tell me what is the
Yes, sir.
separate table?
To perform many to many, sir.
Okay. Actually, in the same relationship, we cannot use multiple joint column, right? This is the problem actually. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, is it clear? What is your doubt? First one, is it clear? Any kind of question?
Yes, yes. No, sir.
Should I repeat once more time? Please tell me.
No, sir. No, clear.
Okay. 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 So hopefully, you can create the class also, right? I know already you know how to design a entity class. Very simple only. Like class employee. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what? Like ID. Then what?
E-name.
E-name.
Or
So,
consider
sir, create third one table. What we do, sir?
tell me who will create this third one.
Employee employee foreign key is
Okay, first of all,
EID.
tell me any name of the join column. Tell me any name of the join column.
Mm,
Any name, please?
AID, AID,
Employee to project, right? Employee to project, okay? To project.
okay,
Can I
uh-huh.
take this way?
of course.
Or any name, like employee underscore project. Nothing more than this. And what should be the annotation to indicate this table at the rate? Tell me please, at the rate join column.
Join column, join column.
Join column.
You already know all the things. First of all, I hope you will write me the code and you will tell me the code and I will write. And from employee perspective, this is what? Tell me, this is what?
Foreign key.
Foreign key, foreign.
What's this traffic? Whatever. This is foreign key now. This is foreign key. Okay. So this is foreign key. So to indicate table, we are using join column. To indicate this column, what we are using?
Join column.
This is join column or join table?
Join
Table, right? And to indicate this column, we are using one annotation. This is what join column. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Should I repeat once more time?
No, sir. No.
To indicate the table, we are using join column or join table. Which one?
Indicate the table. Sir, in database, we have write in separate table.
Okay.
This
And
employee to project.
Okay. We already know another concept. For every table, we need a what? We need an entity class, right?
Mm-hmm.
So is it okay or not?
Yeah.
So for employee class, we are writing, for employee table, we are writing one employee class. For project, we will write another entity class. But for this class, for this join table, we no need to write any class, right? We no need to write. Simply with some annotation, we can create this table, right? Just of that.
Yes, sir.
So please tell me, yeah, what we need to use here. One
At the
employee
rate
contains
join
multiple project, right?
employee ID as a ID.
Yeah, certainly I took. EID I took, e-name I took, right? EID I took already and e-name I already took. Now tell me, another one, another variable or another member, tell me. The relationship is right now, consider from the employee perspective. Relationship is one to many. How to store? How we can store multiple objects? Please tell me. This is not one object. How we can store?
A list we are taking.
Then tell me how to write.
Class name.
Okay. This employee will store multiple project, right? Okay. Simply how we can write. Can you please tell me any name first of all? Tell me any name. Right? Please tell me any name, any variable name. Your employee will. Are you getting my point? Your employee will store multiple project, right?
EMP variables. Your type.
Your employee will store.
No, project
your
variable.
employee.
Project.
Sorry?
Project, sir.
Why projects? Okay. Projects. Because why? We are telling
Linking.
employee will store multiple objects. Yeah? So any meaningful name.
Yeah.
You can use your any name, right? But is it recommended? No, certainly not, right? For example, projects. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay? Is it okay? Please tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
And this is what? This is simply a class name, like project.
Project class.
This class name project.
Yeah.
Should I write like this way?
Project
If I write
class.
like this way, what will happen? This employee can store only, this employee can point only one project class, right? One project object. Yes or no? If I write like this way. So tell me, should I write like this way or should I create a list? Which one? First of all,
List.
just observe what I want to mean actually. I'm trying my best to write proper way. Just observe. If I write here, so this is a variable, right? Projects. So it should have a data type, like for example, projects. Okay. Is it okay? Is it okay?
No,
If I write like this,
no, sir.
integer a, it can store only one value. So if I write like
One
this,
value, yeah.
projects can store, this employee can point only one object. So what we should do? We should create a list only now. The Angular data.
Yes. We store in list or array.
Is it okay? Please tell me, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
To understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understand,
yes.
understand.
Then I think no need to explain the remaining part, project part also, right? What will happen? Let me read something. Can you please tell me how to design? I think almost all the things are already planned. Code is very simple. Tell me how to design. Last, then tell me please.
Class
Class
project,
project,
Project, then already you know that. For example, ID,
PID,
or
PID.
the ID and
P name.
the name, it's okay. Member should be private, okay? Always you will write. Okay, then tell me what I should write here. This project is related to multiple employee, right? So what I should write here? And it can first of all tell me any variable name.
Employees.
Okay. EM employees, employees, okay? Is it okay? Now tell me. If I write like this employee, if I write like this way employee, then this EMPS can point only one object, right? Yes or no?
One object.
But what will
Yes, sir. To store in list format.
this EMP variable will point multiple object. Then what we should create a list of them. Yeah, any confusion?
Yes. Generic concept, yes.
Yeah, from both sides. Should I repeat?
Yes.
Please tell me. Should I repeat?
No, sir. No, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay, now tell me. Okay. So simply right now, let me clean each and everything. I think it will be better if I simply clean up to now. Whatever, if you have any kind of question, you can please tell me. Okay, and I highly recommend you. Video is already available. You should, if you forget anything, you can watch the video once more time. And another point, right now I am showing you one code. So please, you need to practice multiple code, right? If you practice only one
Yes.
code, this is not enough, right? This is not enough. Now tell me, this is employee. We are telling array. Okay, we please create what? Create what? Create a join table, right? Him, first of all, from the employee
employee
side,
to
create a
project.
join table. Just observe. And another point, another. This is what? From the employee perspective, I am repeating once more time. From the employee perspective, this is what? This is join column only, na? Should I repeat one more time? From the employee perspective, this EID, this field is what?
Join column.
Okay, join column. And then this is it join column or inverse of join column? Or reverse of join column or inverse of join column? Which one? Is it join column? Is it join column? With respect to employee, is it join column? Is it join column?
No, sir.
Sir, why are you silent? Is it join column?
One hook. No. Yeah. No. No, sir. It is
I think
one
this is
book.
foreign case, sir.
Many.
Simple only. Don't be confused. I'm asking you one very simple question. Just answer. From the employee perspective, right? Just it's quite common sense now. From the employee perspective. Okay.
Many books.
This is
Many projects, sorry.
we are using what? We are using the primary key, primary key for employee. So this is join column. Is it join column?
No, sir.
Is it not join column? So it is inverse of join column, right?
Yes, sir.
This is join column. Just observe. This is join column. Join column. Is it join column or inverse?
Inverse of join column.
Okay. Inverse of join column. Should I repeat anything?
No, sir.
To understand this minimum question, minimum confusion. Then I hope you got the point. If anyone asks you, automatically you can understand. Automatically you can answer. Code is nothing. If you have core Java concept, very easily you can write all the code. Please tell me, should I repeat anything here? Just I discuss you 2 or 3 annotation, nothing more than this. Now tell me, we are telling, up to now any confusion?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, we are telling, we need to create this table only now. So this is what join table only, right? So to create this join table, we are using an annotation. Can you please tell me what is the annotation name?
Join column, sir.
To create a table.
Table,
In,
table column, table and table,
Join
sir.
table na?
Create join table.
Join table only, right?
Hmm.
What is
So
the
what is
name?
purpose of join table? It will create this
Okay,
employee to project table.
tell me what is the table name?
Employee to project.
imply to project.
Employee to project, okay. Project, you can
It
write
automatically created, sir.
automatically it will be created, but you should specify the name also, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, name employee to project. Now tell me. So you should also say array. Okay, so it will create I1, it will create a table, a join column. Now I1 it is telling it's okay, boss. I will create a table. Okay, fine. But which one is the join column? Which one is the related to employee? You should specify this one also, right?
Mm-hmm.
Should I repeat anything? I1 will create. Okay, it's okay, boss.
So,
I will create a table for you. Okay, employee, employee to project. Okay. But I1 is telling array, what is the join column? What is the name of this column? What is the join column? Which one is
mm,
inverse join column? You should specify this point also, right? Yes or no? Means
Mm-hmm.
yeah, yes, sir.
order and
PID.
I1 will do everything. Okay?
Hmm?
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So simply you are telling array join column. Okay? Join column. Okay? Join column. Which one is join column? You should write. And which one is inverse join column? You can write in the separate line now. You should write the join column name and inverse join column name. Okay? Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm writing here in multiple line. Why? Because the space is not available here. Okay. So array name
Yes.
employee project and which one is join column, and you should write like this exactly same like this inverse or inversion, whatever it will show me auto suggestion like inverse. Okay, inverse join column. Okay, or inverse column, whatever, no problem. Inverse column or inverse join column. Inverse column, which one is inverse column? You should to write this name also. Is it clear? Is it clear? Just tell me. Have you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat anything?
Okay.
No, sir.
Or shall I be got the point?
Join column is
Mhm. Which one is
I
the
said
I,
you.
EID na?
okay,
Yes, sir.
inverse is PID. PID.
Yeah, inverse is PID. So what you should write here? Okay. Let me tell you. So
I
okay.
think the
Yes, I
Faisal
got
is.
it.
So
Yes,
directly
sir.
we should write like this a what? EID, okay na? EID. Yes or no? And
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
EID. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But I cannot understand like this. So simply you need to do one
Join column.
extra thing at the rate. This is annotation only. At the rate join column, and you should write simply like the name. Okay. Name. What is the name? Like EID. Okay. EID.
Yes.
And here same thing also, I cannot understand like this. The same thing, join column and name like PID, nothing more.
PID.
Should I repeat one more time?
No, sir.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And
Yes,
already
sir.
you know now your favorite annotation. What is the name? It is many to one or one to many.
Many to
Many to
many.
many.
Many to nothing more than this. Then what? Cascade type of. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. When we see practically, then understand better, sir.
Okay, cascade like cascade type of.
Cascade type equal to cascade type dot all.
Okay. So maybe you missed previous class. If I write your cascade type of, what will happen instead? How we can? Okay. Let me explain this point here also, just one line. Maybe you missed the previous class or you missed this missing concept. Okay, now just observe. So maybe already first one you can remember. If I write just one information now, I'm showing this one. Don't worry, don't worry. Even if you don't understand, no problem. Just one point. At the rate many to many and cascade na cascade equals to cascade. If I write like this way, then if I delete employee, what will happen? Tell me, what will happen?
Delete employee, then the related tables, it will be deleted,
The
sir, automatically.
okay, corresponding. Why are you not responding? Corresponding object will be deleted, right?
Yes, sir.
Means what? If Google delete you from their company, then Google will delete the Google Docs also, Google Drive also. Yes or no? But is it real or is it practical?
So,
If I
can you
write
repeat
cascade
examples?
type, if I write cascade type on, no problem. I am showing you within a moment. I am showing you. If I write cascade type all, then what? If I delete this object, automatically corresponding object will be deleted. Means whatever the object related to you, all the object will be deleted. So if that means what? But we don't like this way. So I hope in the previous class I showed you how to do this one, how to do this one. Nothing more than this. Simply inside the bracket, second bracket, okay. Inside a curly brace, simply we are writing like this. No problem. Let me show once more. Okay. Let me go to the okay. There you go. So up to now, any confusion? Can you listen me properly? If my screen is visible?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you please
Yeah.
confirm me?
Yes.
Let me work in this project. Okay. So first of all, let me create one new. Tell me first. Don't be silent. Okay. What is the class?
Okay, sir. Students, sorry, employees, sir.
Employee.
Tell me what I should do first. First of all, let me create a project class. Tell me private integer na. Okay.
Private EID,
What?
yes.
ID, then what?
EID,
Name,
then
Employee or name.
right?
String name. Name.
Okay, like employee. For example, for shift case, let me create parameterized constructor. Are you practicing parallelly?
no, sir. No.
No.
Just
No.
I'm understanding the concept. So.
This is what we can generate getter and setter method. At this moment, getter and setter method is not required. Why we need to use getter and setter method?
Because
To
not
get the
using,
object.
sir.
To access private member only, na?
Mhm.
That member is not private, we will make it private. Okay, now tell me. Okay, what I should do. Tell me how to make it entity class.
Right at the rate entity class annotations.
At the rate entity, okay. Then
Entity at the rate table.
at the rate table.
Name equal to table name.
Name.
Like employee, na? Employee table, okay. Any name, whatever your wish, okay. Then tell me
Yes.
which one is the primary key?
ID.
EID.
What I should
At
do.
the rate. Annotation at the rate ID.
Okay. If you want, you can use the name.
Yes.
Like name, different. Anything? What I should write now?
Then
we
sir,
create a
list, sir.
first one we
We have
create
to
a
write project
second
class,
entity.
sir. Project entity class.
Second entity class.
Okay.
Need to create second entity class.
Okay. Follow you. Then class. Tell me what?
Projects.
Project.
Project, huh?
Now tell me.
Just
Let me make it possible project like integer na or
private EID, PID.
private integer ID. Okay.
PID.
Compulsory will write private also. Maybe I am skipping private what? P name. Okay.
Yes, P name. parameter constructor, default constructor, get, etc.
Yes. Okay, this parameter is constructor and data range setter method, right?
No need,
Sorry,
no need, sir. Data and settlement.
why not need? How will we access this member? This is private member. Is it possible to access using object or class name?
Faisal, entity and Pojo class, it means it's mandatory to write getter, setter, and private member.
No, it is not mandatory. But right now I declare this one as a what? Private. So is it possible? Can you
We
access?
are not
Yeah.
accessing, sir. Once we declare the private, then
You
we're
cannot
not
access.
accessing directly to PID. Okay, that's why getter, setter.
Understand.
You cannot access PID. You cannot access PID, but you can access what? Why you cannot access?
Getter, setter, sir.
Why you cannot access PID?
This is
Private
this is
only.
private, sir.
But
Within
why you can
classes.
access? Why you can access PID, get PID or set PID? Why you can access that? Because
This is public, sir.
okay. But from this
Anywhere we
public
can
method,
access.
we can access the private method, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. Anywhere we can access.
Now tell me what I should do.
At the rate entity class and table
Create as an
annotation.
entity class.
Entity class.
The rate entity.
Entity annotations.
Mhm.
Table annotation.
Yeah. Or
Table
at the
annotation.
rate
Yes.
table.
Name equal to project.
Any name. Project table.
Tell me the primary key.
ID.
Okay, everything is fine. So the class is available. Now tell me, let's build a relationship. Now tell me what I should do. Just consider from
List.
this employee, the relationship is one to many. From the employee perspective, the relationship is one to many. So we cannot use one variable. We need to use a list. Now tell me what I should do. Fastest
List.
one.
One
Create a
variable.
First of all, any variable name. Please tell me any variable name.
projects.
5 projects. Okay, projects. Okay, na? Then what should
Because
be
we
the class name? What
store
should
in
be the type? If I type
list
project,
type,
right?
sir.
If I type project, okay, what will happen? Only one object. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Only one object is storing.
Generics. Import, sir. Control Shift plus O.
Okay, is it okay? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Any confusion after now? Simply this one thing, right?
Just copy paste, sir, this list, line number 16.
Is it clear? Any confusion to understand? Please tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now tell me. This is not enough, right? Simply one members. Okay, but now tell me. We should tell what is the this is relationship is many to what? Many to many, right?
Many to many, yeah.
At the rate many to many. Okay.
Many to many.
Now tell me, is it okay? I'll write you a letter something. Now tell me. And cascade type what? First of all, let me tell me.
Cascade type equal to cascade equal to cascade type.
First of all, at this moment, let me write here all letter I will change. Okay, now tell
All.
me. So this is many to many relationship. This is many to many relationship. I cannot handle this. So to handle what we need?
To need third one, join column, sir.
Not join column, a table name, a separate table name, right? We are telling
Yes. Join table.
Go to this table.
Join table, huh?
Go to this table. Okay, join table. Okay, go to this table. What is the
No,
name?
not directly.
Table.
Yes, not directly
Name
go
is
to
equal
this project table. So create the separate tables where we can perform the operations.
Okay. So please go to the join table. Okay, what is the name? Any name, yeah?
Employee, yeah.
Yes,
Employee
employee
to
to
project.
projects.
Okay.
Yeah.
What I
Employees.
should say, you should mention something also. What you should mention? Okay, Are boss, it's okay, it's fine. It's fine. The name is what? Okay. So, but now tell me which one is the join column, right? Which one is the join column, right? Join column, okay? Are you
Yeah.
observing
Mhm.
join columns? And two things, join column,
Yeah.
inverse join columns. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Inverse.
Join
Yes.
column.
Sorry.
Join column
Yes.
EID.
And which one is
EID.
inverse join column?
PID,
Second one
sir.
inverse.
Just
Yeah.
a minute. Why it's not showing? Okay, let me continue here. Some error, so it's not automatically suggestion. First of all, let me continue. What is the name? So simply we are using, we cannot directly write what, we cannot directly write, for example, PID or anything we cannot write, okay? Simply that we use
Yeah. Column name.
one addition at the rate join column, always
Join column.
at the rate join column.
And it's
Then you know na,
EID.
or
Name equal to.
EID.
Yes.
Name is equal to EID.
okay? And boss, what is the
Mhm.
inverse join column, okay?
Join
Which one is
inverse now.
join column?
Inverse.
Tell me the name,
Join column
name,
or
PID.
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 yes. Okay,
PID.
column is related to
PID.
project, okay, PID, whatever, any name you can use. Any confusion?
Hmm.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
In write in a single line, no problem. This is annotation. Okay, this is our annotation. So tell me, should I repeat anything from here?
No, sir.
Have you got this point? Simply this point only. Is it clear? Please tell me, is
In
it clear?
pro
Any confusion?
No, sir.
So, okay. And now tell me what I should write from the project. Tell me. Tell me. From the,
Mm. Many to many.
first of all, what we should write?
we write employees of employees
So
Because
list
variable, sir.
object
Variable.
project,
Any variable.
variable. Huh.
this project
Employee.
Sorry,
has
variable.
multiple employees or object. So
Yes.
employees, okay. Or what
Employees.
is the type? If I write like employee, is it okay?
Employee. Employee type. So
Employee as a list type.
yes. Employee type.
No,
Make it list. Make it list.
no.
You know now already what is the problem if I write
Make as a list
by
type.
we are writing.
Yes, sir. Generic form.
Okay, so same here. Okay, you no need to write join table. Simply you can if I use like relationship is many to many, and simply we can write mapped by. Have you got the point now? What is the difference between mapped by and others? Do you know now? Who?
Yes, sir.
What you can? Not enough time. So now tell me, already you know now who owns the relationship? Who is the owner of the relationship? Okay, we are writing many to many. We are writing mapped by. Okay, now we are writing mapped by inverse of what? Like the person, the class, the object that doesn't own the relationship. In the class only we are writing mapped by only, right? Yes or no? Should I repeat anything? In all the things mapped by and the name you can write. What is the name? Maybe let me copy.
Mapped by employee na.
Projects only na from your relationship started, right? Okay. Should I repeat once more time?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. Mapped by project.
And,
We are in projects entity na.
sorry, tell me. Any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
The relationship mapped by
Mapped by
projects.
Is your doubt in the line number 17?
Yeah, yes, sir.
What is your doubt?
Mapped by why employees.
Why employees? We told you now, for example, there is a road, right? From where you started your journey. Here only, na? So you need to come back here, right? Can you remember this point?
Mhm.
From where you have
Yes, sir.
started?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And let me change here something. Let me change here. Let me change here. I think no need to show one more project or no need to run. You already know. Can you please tell me what I should write here?
This one.
Okay. So already you know now. For example, I in the previous class also I discussed this point actually. So what is the disadvantage of this line, right? Cascade type dot all. What is the meaning of this line? Meaning of this line. If I delete one object, right? If I delete any employee from the Google, like any employee, then the corresponding project will be also deleted. Is it true? Or is it practical? Or is it does it happens? No, right? So it
No,
should
sir.
not happen. But if I write like this way, this meaning is if I delete this main, then corresponding object will be deleted also, right? So we shouldn't write like this. Why? Because you know na, all means what? Let me show you something. Just a moment. For example, cascade type all. Practically, I showed you in the previous class also. Just
Yeah.
recommendation you can watch one more time. For example, if I write like control space, are you observing detach, merge, persist, refresh, remove, right? So all means what?
Mm-hmm.
All
All means
does merge, persist, refresh, remove. So the problem is for remove, right? So we shouldn't write here remove. If I write all means what? We are writing remove. So we shouldn't write here remove. We should ignore remove. Ignoring remove means what? We should ignore the all also, right? Yes or no? Simply
mm-hmm.
writing like this way, detach or like what? Controls cascade type, for example, detach. We are writing like this way. Then what? Cascade type. You know that?
Merge.
What I should do? How to solve this one person? How to solve this problem? Simply okay, keep it inside.
Sir, what will happen if we write cascade type detach?
Okay, I can explain this one, but right now
Not only detach.
we shouldn't write here cascade type. Cascade type dot what? We shouldn't write here what? Simply what does mean by
Merge.
persist refresh. Okay, just wait. I didn't explain. But simply keep in mind we shouldn't. But I hope you got the point. What does mean by remove, right? We shouldn't write here remove. Remaining all the things you can write, right? So can you please tell me? I'm writing like merge and cascade type. Just wait for the explanation. Cascade type dot what? Persist. Whatever, no problem. Simply you can write cascade type dot control space.
Refresh.
Yeah, everything
Refresh.
is fine. Nothing more than this. Okay. So I hope everything is fine. Okay. All the things are ready, right? So now what I should do? Everything is okay. So you got this point, I can. Nothing more than this in the means to one relationship. Okay, simply this one or two line only. Remaining all the things are code Java. Now tell me what I should do. I need to create a main class only, right? Main class only now.
Mm-hmm.
Any name? Like main class, okay? Any confusion first up to now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now tell me, this is our main class. What I should do first of all? You know now how to create a session
I-
object. Already you know
Mm.
all the lines of the code. For example,
We have a util.
okay, directly you can, okay, maybe I think. So we need first of all what session now? How to create already you know now? First of all, main class now. Can
Main
you,
methods. Yes.
yeah, Hibernate util.
Hibernate util dot get session
Get session.
But
factory. Yes. Or dot open session.
one session then a session. Please start or
Session
display
dot
Dot
save.
from date.
being transaction.
Mm.
already know
Yes.
at the finally click dot save. Okay.
Persist.
Now session dot save, right?
Commit transaction.
Okay. Session dot save. You already know. Leave this one. The meaning of the things are same. Now in the middle, what we should write? Tell me. Now you should design.
Creating.
You know, na? Data will come from the servlet program, right? Okay, from the front end. Yes or no? Is there any front end right now? Is there any front end? No. So we can
No.
we will assume
Manually parser.
first of all we need to create object now, two object, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Or we know-
First tense.
Yes or no? Should I repeat anything?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. For example, what? How to create object? Please tell me. New
New
employee, na?
New employee.
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 Parameterize constructor.
One name, like for example. Okay.
Yeah.
Vinay.
Yes.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
Any confusion? Simply what I did, can you please tell me? Simply two object now. So data will come from the front end, simply you can create, no problem, no issues, whatever. So already you have two objects, right? Already you have two objects, yes or no? This is Binoy and this is person. Now tell me what I should do. I need to
They
create
have
a
no
object,
memory.
project, right? I need to create project of object also, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
How to create new project?
Project.
What is the name? For example, ID is 101 and Google what? Drive, okay?
Okay.
Any confusion?
No.
For example, GD Google Drive.
JD.
Then,
JD.
for example, new project. Like project ID like 102. 102. And what is the project name?
Google
Like, okay?
slide.
For example, GS. Okay, any confusion?
No, sir.
And up to now, any confusion?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay, now tell me what you should do. What you should do. First of all, this object should point to this object, right? Yes or no, boss?
No, sir.
This Binoy is related to this object, right? These two objects, yes or no? In the same case, this object, right? This object is related to these two objects also, right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Now just observe what we can do. Very simply, we can do, for example, if I create an array list, right? If I create an array list, observe. This object point, this object means what? If I create an array list, okay now, and simply we are keeping these two objects, like one object, two object, okay? Yes or no? This is the project, Google Drive project and Google Slide project. Then very simple now. Binoy points to this object and password point to this object also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me how to get what you should do in array list, okay? Like array list.
New array. List type.
New array list. Array list of what?
Array list of employee.
For example, array list one, whatever. So exactly array list of why employee? Array list of project now.
Yes.
Project, array list of project, nothing more than this. in here, let me write project. Nothing more than this. No, simply nothing more than this. Right now, just observe. Don't be confused. I have created one array list, right? One array list. So AL1 is points here, right? AL1 points here, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
There are two objects. One is project one. This is object like
Okay.
GD points here, and another object what? GS, right? GS
Yes.
point here, okay?
Okay.
So simply nothing more than this. We are keeping this reference here and we are keeping this reference here, right? Reference here. So right now this points here and this points here. How to do? How to do? Here a list. Here a list. Here a list. Please add, right? You know the one method? And array list, array list. Simply I'm using some predefined method, nothing more than this. If you don't know the array list concept, don't worry. I hope you will remind. You will read this once more time. Any confusion to understand up to now?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, let's get this thing again. So can you please tell me what I did here?
A1 list add a
We are simply just adding two projects in array list.
Okay. So
yeah.
right now, for example, inside window, right? Or in this
Hmm.
object, observe, in this employee object. Where is the employee object? This is the employee object now. This is project, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, just observe. So this projects point this object. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Very simply understand. Why? You know now who is the parent of list? Already you know, right?
Parent of list.
Check.
Object.
Check.
CMD. Let me show this one also. Can you see my CMD?
Sir, array list parents of list interface. Okay.
Java tell me Java dot util na dot
Hmm.
array list. Okay. And list. Now semicolon. List of who is the parent? Tell me.
List interface.
Util in type.
Abstract.
Abstract list. Yes, yes.
See. Or let me copy to the key. Just copy. Okay. So are you observing one point like list,
Implement. Yeah.
implement list, right? Is it
Yes, sir.
visible?
Hmm.
Somehow list interface is the parent, right? Parent. So no problem. We can use, right? As a reference, we can use parent class. Already you know this core Java concept. Okay. This is the concept. I think you don't need to explain here. Unnecessary. So what we did up to now, this is our main class. This is our main class. Inside this employee class, there is a list, right? There is a list. There is a list. This list point to this list. Okay, na? This array list. Any confusion?
Mhm.
Means what?
No.
Relationship. One employee, multiple project, right? One employee, multiple project. Yes or no, boss?
Yes. Yes.
Should I repeat anything? Bina, is it clear?
No, sir. Yes,
Still
sir.
nothing more than
Yeah.
this.
Clear.
Okay, nothing more than this. Or if you want, you can design different way also, no problem. So right now this is separated, this is separated. There is no relationship. Is there any relationship? Is there any relationship? Right now there are two object, and one array list. One array list, we have created one array list AL1 points here, and there are two objects like GD and GS. Two object.
Mhm.
This point GD and this
Yes.
point GS. Why? Because we are adding a array list. Please add this object inside you. A list, please add this GS inside you right now. Now tell me, is there any relationship right now? No, there is no relationship, right? If we can pass this
Mm-hmm.
array list, if we can pass this reference to this object, right? Then this object point this array list, right? This is the array list one, right? Yes or no? This is the reference. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm?
If we can
You mean
pass, if we can keep this to the object, if we can keep this to the object, then what? Then this object point this array list means relationship is one to many. If we can keep this reference to this object, then this object also point this object, then relationship is one to many. Any confusion?
no, sir.
No,
Any confusion for some?
no, sir, no.
Now
Previous
my
class.
question is how to add.
Just simply,
Employ new.
This is a very simple question. You know the difficult concept you are able to answer. Why? This is very simple thing only. At this time
sir,
only.
I think this is writing on this place. Sorry.
Sorry.
Sir, main class.
Simple
Main
second
class,
method and
main
third
class.
method now. How we can do one mechanism so that this okay. Right now, what is the value of projects? Simply none only now. None only now.
Mm-hmm.
How we can set this value using setter method now?
Yes, sir.
So using setter method. So for this purpose only, is there any setter method here? Maybe not now.
No, sir.
So simply let me add some setter method. Set project. Okay. Are you observing? And get project.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing more than this. Just observe. We are calling this method. How to call? Set project. How to call?
Set projects.
Using objects. Using objects.
Using object set project, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Set projects and simply
Got it.
passing the reference, right? What is the reference?
Passing the list. Yes, list,
Yes,
sir.
it will set. Yeah. Nothing more than this. I hope after now you can complete, right? But
Yes, sir.
let me write one or two lines simply. Okay, I think what is the time? Just continue that 1 or 2 minutes maximum. Okay. So simply we can use your object name is Binoy. Please you will run this code. If you face any issue, please you will tell me, right?
Yes, yes, okay, sir.
If anyone watch from the YouTube, you can comment, okay? I'll say.
Winner dot.
So
Winner dot set.
okay, set projects now automatically everything. Okay, which one? L1, okay? And name for so
Yeah,
not what?
so this,
SL dot set.
Tell me.
yes, sir. These two objects passing into the Vinay and Faisal, okay?
Yeah, this not these two object, exactly these two object, what we are passing array list object, right?
Yes.
If you
Array list object, yes, sir.
if you don't write like this way, is it possible or not?
Not possible because possible. I think
Not possible.
possible, but we have to write different GD and GS.
Whatever. So simply leave this one. Now can you save this method? Very simple.
Yeah.
Session dot.
Session dot
What?
persist. Yeah, save.
Save what we know, na? Automatically it will
Mm-hmm.
save what others also. Session dot. These two objects. You can done, please. If you face any correction, I hope there is no correction. But still now if you
Yes.
face no problem. I'll cover
Sir,
that.
this is
You know?
sir, this program is static, but
Tell me.
but we how to dynamic value passer.
Why error here?
RF Faisal, I will take care about this. Okay.
Why error here?
Don't worry. Sir, 1 minute.
Error.
Okay, you will check.
Set.
Why error? Just observe. Okay, okay. So this control S, see. I have main terminal. Okay, problem is resolved. Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, first of all, can you please tell me, or otherwise I can stop. What is your doubt? Please tell me.
So this is statically pass the value, sir. we pass the statically type.
Set
The
properties, yeah.
object name.
Request dot set property, get properties, set
Okay.
properties.
So we know
Servlet type.
help him, right?
Yes, sir. I know
This is
this.
what now. This is what is telling now, because we are not connecting our project with front end, right? Is there any front end? There is no front
No,
end.
sir.
So I'm giving you one more task. Simply, you will take data from the user, right? You will take data from the user and you will paste. Okay. What you will take? You will take. Please type employee name, first employee name. You will type like this way. Please type employee name, employee ID, and project ID, project name. Is it possible or not to take data from the user using scanner class?
Yes, sir. Scanner
Yes,
and
of
buffer
course.
Also,
reader
is it okay?
also. Yes, sir.
Have you got your doubt? Okay, then. Okay, is it also your task? Okay. So you will run.
Yeah.
Let me stop the recording. You will run. If you
Sir,
get
so,
doubt, you will tell me. Okay.
after this